This panel simply comes off. You just rip it off, pull it out, and it will come out nice and easy. The panel simply comes off. You just rip it off. Comes to the top bit. Just put a screwdriver underneath there. Lever that with the screwdriver and that will come off. There's two bolts there that you just need to take out, and two. And just like that, it will come out, and that's your unit. Nice and simple. If ever you need the part number, that's the part number. The part number for right hand side one, this is the one. So wasn't bothered, just ripped out on the old one because I'm just gonna chuck this away. It's just wanted the part, so it's gonna just go into the dump. So obviously when you taking off your main car, you gotta be careful so you don't rip the back off, so just be gentle, but it comes off quite easily. That's the old one out. See, it's been broken. So the way that simply works is you gotta push it this way for it to open. Yeah, that's how you release. It's meant to release that way. So if you're pushing from the top, it's lever it that way and open. Okay. So now we got our replacement one, which is that one for the right side, and in it will go. The easiest way to get in the new one is just push it in through the top. It will fit. So yeah, let's just get it in through the top. That's the way to take it in. So fitted it in now, and it releases. Nice, beautiful. Try not get all of it off the back cover, just get the bit enough to remove it, because I've just learnt on the other side it makes the job harder just putting it back together. Both sides now fitted and working. Thank you for watching, and all done. So just make sure you don't remove the whole pen, just remove enough for you to access this. That will make it easier, because as you can see on the other side, it's going to take me a while. So you need to take off the outer bit first and put in the inner bit first before, so it takes quite a while.